Welcome back to our channel, Woodworking channel, where craftsmanship meet creativity. In today's episode, we will delve into the art of crafting of stunning and functional keystand, from its design to the selection of materials. We will guide you step by step through the process, ensuring both efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Before we get started, let's discuss the essential tools and material you will need for this project. Grab your tape and short pencil, meter, saw, sandpaper, wood, glue, clump, and a drill with a drill bit suitable for a screw you have chosen. As for material, we recommend you selecting a wood such as oak or walnut for its durability and beautiful grain pattern. The first step is to plan out the dimension and design of your key stand. Take your time to sketch out the shape and size you desire, ensuring it suits your personal style and space. Either you prefer a sleek and bedroom modern look or rustic chart, this project can be customized to reflect your individual taste. Once you have finished the design, it is time to move on the cutting phase. Measure and mark your chosen hardware, making precise cuts using a meter saw. Remember to double check your measurement before making any cuts. To ensure accuracy, safety is paramount, so sure to wear protective gear and follow paper safety patterns. With the pieces cut to size, it is time to refine and edges the surface. Utilize sandpaper to smooth out any rough edges, ensuring a polish finish. Take care to maintain the integrity of the wood grain while sanding, as this will enhance the overall visual appeal of your key stand. Now come the em- embellish stage, where the key stand started to take shape. Apply a thin layer of wood glue along the edges of the joints. Then carefully the pieces together. Ensure them firmly using clamps, ensuring a tight bond from anti durability. Pure deal pilot holes before inserting screw, reducing the risk of splitting the wood. Once the glue has fully dried and joints are secure, it is time to add those finishing touches that make all the difference. Sand any remaining rough area, paying close attention to detail. A smooth surface creates a professional and refined appearance that forgets sweep away any excess dust before processing. Now it's time to explore various finishing options to enhance the nature beauty of the wood. You can choose to apply a stain to deepen the color, to leave it undisturbed for a more minimalist look. A clear coat of polyanthes will not only protect the wood but also provide a stunning glossy finish. Experiment with different finishes to find the one the best suits your desired aesthetic. Finally, time to find a spot of display your newly crafted stand. Either it is by the front door, it is hallway, or even on your home office. This function and elegant pieces will keep your keys organized while adding a touch of sponification to your space. Congratulations, you are successfully completed your key stand project through carefully planning, precise cutting, meticulous assembly, and throughout visioning. You have transferred raw material into a practical and visually appealing woodworking masterpieces. I hope you enjoy this woodworking. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects like this. Until next time, keep honing your woodworking skill and exploring the boundless